Hello, I am Sarah McClure, your luxury travel advisor, and today I'm taking you along on one of the most unforgettable experiences you can have in Moorea, a guided jet tour through these impossibly turquoise waters. We met our guide Felix and followed him out across the lagoon to our first stop in chest-deep water.
It's our jet boat.
Cata jet boat.
Cata jet boat.
The experience is about 90 minutes and feels perfectly designed from start to finish. You'll want to bring a hat, sunscreen, your own snorkel gear, water shoes, and a towel. This is known as a gathering place for stingrays and black-tip reef sharks. The moment you arrive, the sharks and rays are there. When you get in the water, you realize how close these animals are, and it is breathtaking. We've snorkeled with sharks and rays before, and that first moment never loses its thrill. Your heart races, you catch your breath, and yes, you may say something you did not plan to say. Blacktip reef sharks are incredibly docile and really uninterested in people. They glide around you with a calm curiosity. The stingrays are just as captivating, moving like silk through the water. Of course, they do have barbs on their tails, so awareness and respect are important. This is their home, and we are simply visitors.
We can touch? We can touch him?
On the top.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Oh my God.
Voilà des mains. Allez, vidéo, action.
Yeah.
We have a chick, very small chick. Oh, right. Just to eat the meat, huh?
What are you feeding him?
Tuna.
Okay.
Normalement, to eat the shell. On the top, 2 eyes
Yes.
and nose. You put the fish on the nose to smell. The tail is not dangerous, so spiky.
His fins are like rough.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Hi, beautiful. Can I kiss him?
Yeah.
Hi! Okay, you go. Oh. There's a shark here. He's not gonna sting, is he?
are there? Are they kind of the same ones that always hang around here all the time?
Smile.
Food, Penny, food.
I could have truly stayed here all day long. Then Felix led us to the edge of the reef that surrounds the island. Before we got back in the water, he surprised us with fresh pineapple and bananas. And yes, in French Polynesia, the pineapple is so sweet and tender, you can even eat the core. We put on our fins and had to carefully navigate the shallow coral. It was important for us to protect ourselves and to protect the reef. The marine life here is vibrant and healthy, and preserving that is part of the experience. After a few quiet moments, the sharks and rays joined us. I do want to clarify something important. My husband and I were not feeding the animals. Yes, Felix had small treats to draw them into the general area, but once they were there, they continued to circle around us on their own. What elevated this experience even further was the privacy and the care. Having a dedicated guide, someone kind, knowledgeable, and attentive, transformed this from a simple excursion into something truly magical. Spending time in the water with these majestic creatures in such a perfect setting is something I will never forget. If French Polynesia has been on your bucket list, I would love to help you design an itinerary that includes meaningful experiences like this one. And if you enjoyed this tour today, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.